I recently busted out our old Coleman 4-person tent and went camping for the weekend with one of my friends. It was a great time. Here's a recap. So here's our dinner for the evening. Night settled in and we knew it was time to bust out the firewood and start a fire and chill. Hey everyone, so day 2 of tent camping. I just ran to the store to get some firewood and some ice for tonight. After a quick run to the local grocery store, I went back and enjoyed the beautiful day that was ahead of us. So one of the fun things about camping is it's usually nice and quiet. It's about noon here at our campsite. Quiet, cool breeze blowing through. It's supposed to be really hot today. But a lot of the people around us have ventured out to the beach or hitting some trails, and I'm just making a slow start to the day. When you go camping, don't neglect food. Food is an important part of camping, and you need to make sure that you have enough to keep yourself going. Here I had these pretty good chicken patties. Now we do have a site that has water and electric, but sleeping in a tent. Ideally these are RV sites, but even when we were tent campers, we would get them to have the electricity, especially in the summer. Here in North Carolina, it's nice and humid. One thing that is good to have is some kind of power supply. So I have this Jackery. They do not endorse this video, and I use it occasionally. Don't need a whole lot of power, honestly. Stove runs on gas. Everything seems to be solar charged now. You need any kind of electric source. Be sure that it's going to be able to give you enough power that you need, because this one here will run a fan, will charge your batteries, charge your laptop, your tablets, but it's not going to like run a coffee maker or a hair dryer or something like that. It was a pretty low-key day at the campsite without a lot of activity, and that's okay. I woke up the next morning to a beautiful day, packed up and headed home.